Ontario, Canada has been experiencing major winter disruptions as the storm hit the region, bringing heavy snowfall and strong winds across the province. These storms have led to considerable snow accumulation in eastern Canada, affecting major cities from Toronto to Halifax. In some areas, over 20 centimeters of snow has fallen, causing hazardous driving conditions and forcing school closures.
And all the snow off of it. They're dryer vents and make sure that they're not covered.
According to the Weather Network, back-to-back storm systems have blanketed parts of Ontario and the eastern provinces, creating challenges for commuters and residents alike. Gusty winds have further compounded the situation, leading to low visibility and slippery roads. Meanwhile, that the province remains under the grip of intense winter conditions, with forecasters warning of continued snow and treacherous travel. Eastern Ontario is particularly affected by the storm, prompting numerous school bus cancellations and travel advisories. Environment Canada reported that heavy snow began late Tuesday night, significantly impacting travel.
Let's get that little squirrel there.
A winter weather advisory has been issued for multiple regions, including Ottawa, Pembroke, Arnprior, Carleton Place and Smiths Falls. Authorities cautioned that roads, highways, sidewalks and parking lots could become dangerously icy and slippery, urging caution for all travelers.
It's crazy. Crazy. But
A severe winter storm has caused major disruptions across eastern Ontario, leading to multiple collisions, road closures, and school cancellations.
Hopefully, the snow will melt away. Yeah, so this is the result.
The drift didn't cover it yet, but again, always good to check it.
Ottawa, Trenton and Belleville have experienced heavy snowfall with poor visibility and hazardous driving conditions. Authorities have issued travel advisories, urging motorists to drive cautiously. The storm, linked to an Alberta clipper system, has brought frigid temperatures, with wind chills making it feel as cold as -28 degrees Celsius.